Hello everyone. Cool, you can see the pile of rust, and wait for it, big hole. I better weld something in here before I do it, because I want to take this piece out, redo that, but I want it all to stay together. So anyway, that was really all bad, really bad. That had all been bodged before. There's a bit there and there's a bit there I've got to tackle, and that will do that. I'll tackle that when I do that plate. It's a bit difficult for you to see in the dark, but anyway, basically I'll put this plate, make this plate here first to go on the inside, then I've got to make this come to here on this side, and then an outer one up to there to go round. So I'll get making templates. See you in a bit. Cheers. Right, okay, after another pile of stuff, we've got somewhere. That's not too bad. Now it sounds solid. So I've done the inside bit for now, and now I'm going to tackle this bit up here, which is this bit. I think I might try and take that out in one piece, you know, and then I can bend an angle and do it all in one go, because that's a seam there for the original seam. So see what I can do. Right, onwards and upwards. Right guys and ladies, even bigger pile of rubbish. I've redone all the part. That was a lot worse than I thought it was. Finished all the bottom, I think I showed you, and the underneath, that's all done, and I've even done the top bit. So I just got to go over the other side now. So really coming on now. Hopefully the other side isn't anywhere near as bad as this side was, but just I'm leaving the little tiny bits because I leave them to be shot blasted. So right, that's it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers for now.